When modeling with multiple bodies in a single part, Boolean operations are helpful, but how would we go about using them? Looking at these two solid bodies here, I could use direct editing tools such as delete keep body to remove the body. But what if I wanted to add the two bodies together? Or maybe combine them to keep the region where the geometry is shared? Let's find out how in this 2-minute tech tip. Let's take a look at this example of a cylindrical body going through a spherical body. At the moment, they are not merged together and are two separate bodies. Using the Combine feature, which is found in both the Direct Editing tab of the Command Manager, as well as Insert, Features, Combine. Looking at the Property Manager of the Combine feature, there are 3 operation types: Add, Subtract, and Common. Let's take a look at each option. The add operation is going to merge all selected bodies into one single body. By selecting the two bodies and pressing the green check, notice the Solid Bodies folder has changed to one single body called Combine. By editing the feature, let's change this to Subtract, noticing how the selections of the Property Manager change, asking for a main body and which bodies to subtract from it. Making the spherical body the main body, the red cylinder will be subtracted from the main body. After accepting the feature, the system removed the overlapping material from the selected main body, leaving us with one solid body. Again, editing the feature, let's see the last operation, Common. This is going to remove all material except the material that overlaps between the selected bodies. By selecting both bodies and accepting the feature, we are left with one single body that is the area where both solid bodies were overlapping. The Combine feature is a useful multi-body design technique that allows users to add, subtract, or combine overlapping material between two separate solid bodies. If you liked this video, please be sure to check out our multi-body parts and techniques sections of our SolidWorks Advanced Part Design course. Thanks for watching.